In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export activities and notes from Hubspot into a CSV file. This quick and easy process is perfect for those of you looking to organize your data or share it with others who may not have access to Hubspot. We'll go through these steps in detail to ensure you can effortlessly export your information when needed. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Hubspot website. If you're already familiar with Hubspot, this is a breeze. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign in. If you're using a Google account to manage your data, simply click on Sign in with Google and select the account you wish to use. This will quickly take you to your Hubspot dashboard. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section. This can usually be found within your dashboard interface or through a direct link in your browser's address bar. In the settings area, you're looking for the Properties section. It's a critical part of this process and might take a bit of poking around, but you'll find it typically under the Manage section, so click on Properties when you see it. In Properties, the next step is to type in Activities in the search bar. This makes it easy to locate the specific data sets you want to work with. Once you've done that, click on Number of Sales Activities from the search results. This is a key point because this step zeroes in on the exact data you need to export. With the Number of Sales Activities page open, look for the More button, often located towards the upper mid section. Clicking on More will present you with several options. Among these, you'll find Export. Go ahead and click on Export to proceed to the formatting options. For our purposes, you'll be selecting CSV as the file format. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a widely recognized format that's perfect for data organization and sharing. It's also easily importable into various applications like Excel, Google Sheets, or any software that accepts tabular data inputs. Choosing CSV ensures compatibility and ease of use. After you've selected the CSV format, simply click on the Export button to finalize the process. Your activities and notes will then be exported into a CSV file and should be available for download. Depending on your browser settings, it may automatically save to your designated downloads folder or prompt you with a location choice. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you're able to export activities and notes from Hubspot, ready for whatever use you need. Thank you for watching, and happy data exporting.